Gappsi installed this sauna for a client in Wainscott, New York. A chiller was installed close to the sauna. The landscape include bluestone, random stepping stones surrounded by pig gravel. The sauna is the Auroom Mira model with a cedar clear finished for the outside, and also cedar was used for the inside of the sauna. This sauna comes in aspen wood and black outside as well. It has full glass opening to view the outdoor over the sauna. The sauna inside is finished like a fine furniture. Got a beautiful smell. It comes with two benches, one high, one low. The home heater, very slick looking heater. This is the latest sauna installation done by Gappsi in Wainscott, New York.